Hello everyone, my name is Fei. Today I'd like to introduce our post-laser cleaning machine designed with a water cooling system. It offers power options and from 200 watts to 1 kilowatts, making it suitable for different cleaning tasks. Common applications include rust removal, paint and coating removal, and generation surface cleaning. Using non-contact laser technology, it can clean metal and stone without damaging the surface. The process is eco-friendly, with no chemicals and no cleaning liquids. Operation is simple, cleaning speed is fast, and overall efficiency is very high. For higher productivity, the machine can also be equipped with a robot for automatic cleaning. In short, this laser cleaning machine is powerful, precise, and easy to use. It helps save time, reduce labor cost, and improve cleaning quality. If you would like to learn more details or find the right solution for your project, please contact us anytime. Thank you for your attention.